Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to solve this radical equation. We have square root of x plus 2 over square root of x equals to 3. Okay, so the first thing we do is we say let y equals to square root of x. Okay, so it means anywhere we see square root of x, we put y. All right, so for this we have y plus 2 over y equals 3. Okay, so now what do we do now? We can multiply through by y so that we have a linear equation. So if you multiply this by y, we multiply this by y, and we also multiply this by y. Okay, so now y times y, we have y square. This y, we cancel this y, we have 2, and then we have 3y. All right, so this is a quadratic equation. So let's rearrange. Before we factorize, let's rearrange. We have our y square here. We bring this 3y, it becomes minus 3y, and then we have plus 2 equals 0. Okay, so now we can factorize. Now let's factorize. Okay, so now the factor of 2 that will give us minus 3. Okay, we have minus 2 times minus 1 will give us plus 2, and that's a plus 2 here. And then this minus 2 minus 1, if you put it together, we have minus 3. Right, so minus 2 minus 1 works. So we have y squared minus 2y minus y plus 2 equals 0. Right, so the first two, y is common, we write it out. Then we have y left here, and here we have 2. Now this minus 1 plus 2, what is common is minus 1. Minus 1 is common. Then we have y, and we have minus 2. Okay, because minus 1 times minus 2 will give us plus 2. And then whatever you have in this bracket is what you should have in this bracket. Okay, so the next thing to do is to pick here this and this. We have y minus 1, and then you pick one of the two brackets equals 0. Right, so each of them equals 0. So we have y minus 1 equals 0, and we have y minus 2 equals 0. And then by the time you move this minus 1 to the other side, y equals to 1 or y equals to 2. All right, so now let's recall that y equals to square root of x. All right, so let's recall this. It means anywhere we see y, we can write 1 or we can write 2. All right, so let's start with 1. If y equals to 1, what will be our x? So we have square root of x equals to y is 1. Then what do? We square both sides. Okay, so we square this side and we square this side. This square cancel the square root. And then what do we have for x? It means our x equals to 1. And then if y is now 2, as we have it, if y is 2, so we have square root of x equals to y, which is 2. We square both sides, we square this side, and we square this side. Okay, so this square cancels square roots. Our x equals to square of 2 is 4. So it means that x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 4. This is our final answer. Right, so now I want us to try this and then drop our answer in the comment section. I want us to try this. Let's try square root of x plus 1 over square root of x equals to 2. All right, so let's try this and drop our answer in the comment section. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you.